Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Geemarc Wake and Shake Dynamite alarm clock. So starting with the box, you have the main features written on both sides in 4 different languages. You've got English, French, German, and Dutch. It also says that there is a 2-year warranty and a USB charging port. When you open the box, there is a manual, the alarm clock, the bed shaker, and the AC/DC adapter. On the back of the alarm clock, you've got the port for the AC/DC adapter, a USB port, and the port for the bed shaker, the speaker for the alarm. There is also a place for a backup lithium battery, which is not included in the box. So on the front of the alarm clock, you've got the Wake and Shake Dynamite logo, this display section here, and then a red ring of LED lights which will flash when the alarm goes off. So what I'm going to do here is set up the alarm clock so you can see the features and functions. The first thing to mention is that there are 3 display settings. You've got a low light setting, a medium light setting, and a bright light setting, all of which can be controlled by the snooze light button. If you hold down this snooze light button, this turns on the outer ring of LED lights, which corresponds to the same brightness settings as the display. So to set the time, press the set button, which will allow you to adjust the hours, and then you press the set button a second time to change the minutes. Press it a third time and it will allow you to switch between a 12-hour clock and a 24-hour clock display. Then if you press the set button a 4th time, it will allow you to set the snooze duration, any amount of time between 5 minutes and 60 minutes. Then when you finish, press the set button again and it will lock the time in place. To set the alarm, first press and hold the alarm select button. Once you've done that, the hour will flash. So once you've set the hour, press the alarm select button again, and that will allow you to change the minutes. Once you've found your desired time, you can now set the intensity of the vibration. You only have 2 options here, high and low. After you're happy with that, press the alarm set button again. You have F1, which is a low tone, F2, which is a mid tone, and F3, which is a high tone. Once you're happy with the frequency, you can press the alarm set button to adjust the ringer level. Once you're happy with all that, press the alarm set/select button. So now the settings of your alarm have been saved. The shaker adapter is designed for you to slip underneath your pillow or your mattress, and it adds an extra alarming element to waking you up in the morning. Now you can set different combinations for your alarm. So bed shaker, strobe lighting, and the alarm sound. And that concludes our quick unboxing of the Geemarc Wake and Shake Dynamite alarm clock. If you like this video, go and pick one up for yourself, and don't forget to leave a comment below on what you think about it. For any other details, you can find them in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys.